Hi everyone. We as a group of 6 members, we are going to present our topic that is farmers assistance system. In the next slide, I will be telling about our project details. Coming to our problem statement title, our problem statement is farmers assistance system. Our team name is the Codifiers, and we are from Anil Neerkonda Institute of Technology and Sciences. Our theme name is Agricultural Food Tech and Rural Development. Um, Let me introduce myself. I'm Sharan Kaushik. I'm going to tell about purpose of our project, that is why actually farmers need resistance regarding plant diseases. In today's scenario, with increased trade and travel, the risk of pests spreading into various areas also increased. Due to this, plant diseases are increasing day by day. According to the survey that has been conducted by Food and Agricultural Organization of United Nations, estimated that annually appro- approximately 20 to 40% of global crop production has been losing. Plant diseases affects both quality and yield of the crop. Plant diseases and pests are important factors determining the yield and quality of the products. Identification of these diseases may help the yield and both productivity of the crops. Now my friend Purna will be explaining about idea approach of our project.
As my friend mentioned about the purpose of our application, I will be discussing the approach of our idea. We are designing an application to assist the farmers which identifies the disease and suggests them the cure. If the farmer is using the app for the first time, our application will guide him so that he will get used to the app. After logging into the app, farmer has an option to select his longest based on his region. Whenever a disease occurs, farmer will upload an image of affected part of the plant. Our application will process the image and then identify the disease. Then it will provide a cure for the disease. It will also provide related YouTube links to the farmers, which help them to know more about the disease. If they are having any problems or our application cannot identify the disease, then it will connect farmers to Kisan Seva Center, where he will be getting further assistance to cure. The related data will be uploaded in our database. My friend Raghav will explain the disease identification processes and related algorithm.
As my friend discussed about the idea approach of application, I want to tell you about the approach of identifying diseases. In recent years, deep learning has made great impact in the field of digital image processing. This uses machine vision equipment to acquire images to judge whether the diseases and pests in the collected plants images. By this machine vision equipment, we can replace the naked eye identification with maximum percentage of accuracy. There are many approaches for image processing as mentioned in this slide. One of the image processing algorithm we are using is conventional image processing algorithm. Some basic steps for disease detection of these algorithms are image acquisition. The image of the plants will first captured by the camera. The captured image in the form of red, green, blue color. This is the first step. In this step, we are taking the image as input. The next step is the image pre-processing. The main motto of this step is an improvement of the captured image data that destroy the unwanted distortions, which results the enhancement of features. After this step, we use image segmentation. Segmentation means partitioning of one image into various parts. This segmentation can be done in various methods like k-means clustering, Otsu method, etc. The last step of this CNN is feature extraction. The fundamental patterns used in human interpretation of images are spectral, textural, and contextual features. In this work, shape, color, and texture features are extracted from every leaf image of dataset. This feature extraction can be done in various steps or various levels. One of them is gray level or co-occurrence matrix and venation. In order to develop the accurate image classifiers for the purpose of plant diseases, we need a large verified data set of images of diseased and healthy plants. In this way, the CNN works. Now our friend Kantishri will tell about the architectural diagram of application by the use case.
Now I am going to give an overview of our project Farmers Assistance System. As we all know, use case diagram shows system, people, and what actually the system does. Primary actor is the one who initiates the system. In our application, primary actor is obviously the user, and secondary actor is the one who responds to a request. In our system, secondary actors are server and Kisan call center. As we can see here, there are three use cases. One is load image, second predict the disease, and third is assistance. So first farmer will upload an image, either he might upload it through his gallery or through camera. So here we can see load image excludes camera and gallery. Now once the image has been uploaded, the disease will be predicted using CNN algorithms, that is convolutional neural network algorithms, with the help of dataset and validation. So here we can see predict the disease includes validation, CNN algorithm, and dataset. Once the disease has been predicted, the result can be viewed by the user. And assistance. Assistance means if user has a, like if you want to know whether the predicted result is accurate or not, or for any such queries, he'll directly contact Kisan call center. So we can say load image, predicted disease and assistance will be directly available for user. And also the image and the predicted result will be shared to Kisan call center for their convenience. Now our friend Raghuram is going to answer few of the questions which you might get regarding design.
Hi everyone. Now I'm going to answer some of the FAQ questions on related to front-end processing of the app. And the first question will be, how can the farmer interact with this app? The app will be in a native language of the user so that he can easily understand what should he do to prevent the crop for further damage. And the next question will be, how can the user or farmer can contact agriculture experts or Kishan call center for assistance? After processing the app, we will display the results on based on the algorithm which was written in the written in backend process. Um, so if the farmer or user will not satisfied by the app results, then he can contact agriculture experts or Kisan call center for further details. We will provide the links or we will provide the contacts of the uh, agriculture experts and Kisan call centers so that farmer can interact with them and know further details about the disease or the virus which is affected by the crop. The next question will be, what are the results obtained from this app? We basically will provide the results of what are the pesticides should he use, what amount should he use, what will be the result of overusing these pesticides, and some of the precautions which the farmer should take for stop the further spread of the virus or the disease. The next question is how to use this application. We will provide some YouTube links so that the farmer can understand how to use our application. It is very user friendly, so it is also in the native language of the user, so he can understand it well, and which will be useful for the user, and it will be very useful for the farmer for stopping the for detecting the disease which he got to the crop.
As my friend Raghuram has explained about the perspectives on the front end of the app, the interface, I will explain on the back end processing of the app. So, hi guys, I am Darshan. And some of the questions that are raised can be, what will guarantee farmers that the prediction of disease and its cure is correct or not? So, the whatever disease that we are displaying, whatever the disease that we are detecting, the cure will be given by experts, so that the cure will be obviously mapped to the particular disease only. So and we will also verify particular cure, and if the farmer has still doubt, he can contact the expert who gave the cure, or he can visit the particular link or website where we get the cure. Okay. So that will maintain the trust of the farmers. And what if the predicted disease is incorrect? So this is also an important question. So it will be the rare case for us, because we are setting some threshold for the CNN network that will display, that will give the output. So we are maintaining the minimum accuracy for the particular disease to detect. and if it is below that accuracy, the disease will not detect. The image will be processed, and the raw image will be sent, and the processed image will be sent to particular experts, or particular experts who are available, or the organization, and the particular cure will be given by them, and it will again show in the app. So this way it will be verified that there is no incorrect disease, and also there will be report option in the app for any wrong inputs. What if there are network issues in the area? So for the network issues, we will try to take very low data. We will try to make our app work in 2G networks also, and also for some of the common diseases, we'll download the datasets in the phone itself, not the dataset, just the models, so that it can be identified easily. And how can farmers trust the app? So farmers trust is, we will build the farmers trust by obviously allowing every result will be verified and given the expert and the Kisan Seva Center contact number. So farmer, for further assistance, he can call there, and every answer, every disease cure will be verified by them only. So farmer can anytime, he can, if he didn't understood the cure, if he didn't understand anything, he can directly contact. They will be given a contact button separately for that, and all the details of the particular raw image will be sent to their organization or the expert only. That's all guys in the presentation, my friends, and we have worked very hard for this, for the idea generation. We have discussed many things, we had many debates for this, and we are unable to tell everything in detail because of the time restriction, but still we have tried to give the main highlights and overview of the project, and everyone did their best in it. And thank you for watching guys. This is our idea presentation on the farmer assistance app.